Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Moore from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 16th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see a bit of a retracement today, so it looks like those shooting star formations, candlestick formations we saw yesterday certainly played a role here. We did get a bit of a pullback. The Dow finished lower by 84 points. The S&P 500 was down 12, and the Nasdaq was down slightly more, down about 35 points or so. This is ahead of the release of the Fed minutes, which happen tomorrow around 2 p.m. Eastern. We'll see if that has an effect on the markets. The Russell also finishing lower, but certainly it looks like we're in the midst of another pullback here. We'll see if we can get back to that 20-period moving average, or if the Fed minutes will cause a bounce tomorrow. Bonds at this point looking lower, as you can see here, down about half a point. Gold was up about 4.5 today. Nice bounce off that 20, while crude made it 4 straight days of upside here, and was up about 75 cents or so. But another strong day for crude, and is actually right at that next level of support, actually closing, or resistance I should call it right now, closing slightly ahead of there, right here, as you can see, closing slightly above there right now. We'll see if there's follow through tomorrow. Again, I expect the morning to be fairly quiet, then a little more active in the afternoon. But before we get to that, I did want to talk a bit about triple tops. Now, you can also look at triple bottoms, but I want to show you a couple of charts here that currently right now look like they may or are challenging their triple tops. Right here is Bank of America, BAC, and you can see that 3 previous times we've gotten to this level and have been rejected, and now we're testing it for the 4th time, and it is a significant area of resistance. Even if we look further to our left, you can see that there is more resistance there. So normally, when you see 3 tops like that, the next one is make or break. In other words, we either bust through it and move to the next level, or if it gets rejected, generally we come back lower and take out the lows. So a very significant test for Bank of America, but my money is on the upside, not just because of the way the overall markets are going, but you have significant momentum this time around, and we are right there. I think we bust through that. Of course, the Fed minutes could derail this attempt, but this is something you want to keep an eye on. And the way to play this, there's an aggressive way and a conservative way. An aggressive way would be to go long as soon as it breaks above there. The conservative way would be to wait for a slightly bigger move above there, and then a retracement. Excuse me. What I mean is a retest of that same level. If we bust above that and come back to retest it, it is very likely to hold, because it is a very significant area of resistance that then becomes support. And so it is right off that level that you want to take your next long. That is the conservative approach. Now, another stock forming something similar is Visa. Now, Visa not testing it just yet, but you can see is very, very close to putting in that triple top. We also have strong momentum here. So what you may see here, similar to what we've seen in Bank of America, is a move up to that level, then a retest here, and then finally that breakout. But those are 2 you want to keep on your watch list and watch for a possible setup going forward. Okay, we will wait for those Fed minutes, and then we will regroup tomorrow night. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.